Once upon a time, there was a young soldier. He was returning home from a war after many years. Before coming home, he called his parents. He said, "Mom and Dad, I'm coming home, but I want to ask you something." His father replied, "What is it?" He said, "I have a friend. I want to bring him to our house." "Sure," they replied. "We love to meet him." The son then said, "You have seen his photo too. I had sent it to you last time. His name is Robin." The set continued. The son continued. Robin was hurt badly while fighting. He was lost an arm and a egg. Friends are an important part of our lives. We play with them. We share with them. They makes us happy. Friends are great fun. But not all friends are good. Good friends are those who help you in time of need. They love you. They will not leave you when you need help.